I recorded a whole intro and it didn't record, so that's great. Anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing some potatoes from a beautiful cookbook of Skyrim. It's called the Elder Scrolls Official Cookbook. So it's got Skyrim, Morrowind, and Tramiel. I don't know how to say it. Shut up. I don't play Skyrim. Okay, cool. I do have Skyrim. I just don't play a lot of it. I will get back into it and might do let's play on that. We'll see. Anyway, the book was written by Chelsea Monroe Castle. I don't know how to say that name exactly. Don't quote me. You can find it on Amazon. Anyway, today we're making the double baked potatoes from this book. By the way, the image, let me just show this, is really beautiful. Love it. Quality image. I don't even know if you guys can see that. But anyway, for this we're gonna need 2 baked potatoes for baking. I just took 2 random potatoes, cleaned them off, you know, get them ready, prep them. We're gonna need some butter, we're gonna need some milk or heavy cream. I'm gonna use milk for this one, and then we're also gonna need a pinch of salt and some cheddar cheese. If you don't have these ingredients, you can go to your local Walmart or you go to Price Cutter, not biased, or you can go to Harder House. For the cheese, I recommend going to Harder House. By the way, Harder House is the most amazing cheese, but I'm just gonna be using generic Walmart/Sam's Club cheese because that's what we have, and I'm sick, so I can't go out anywhere. Also, I'm sick. May or may not have the Rona. We have our potatoes in the oven. It's set to 400 degrees. Do that. Let it preheat. Once it's fully up to temp, shove them in the oven. That's what I did. She said put them on the rack directly after you poke holes in it with a fork or something, and then have something underneath to catch it. I don't like putting things directly on the rack, so I did it a bit differently. But put it directly on the rack if you want to follow it to like the T. Shut your mouth, you stupid parakeet. Hey! Alright. So, that's really hot. When we go to check these, you're going to grab a knife. Get that high quality wooden knife. Poke through. If it's soft all the way through, that one is. That one is cut in half. Whew. Then you want to scoop them out into a bowl. Add some milk. This is completely optional, mind you. I'm gonna put some cheddar cheese on here. You can add bacon. I'm just going with what the recipe says for now. And cheese to your delight. Doesn't matter too much. I got a cameraman all this stuff.
I don't know how you can eat 2 potatoes.
I would say check out his channel, but he quit. You know,
but I don't YouTube right now.
You should make cooking videos. I'd record and edit for you.
I will.
All you gotta do
at
is
some
tell
point.
me. You can slather some butter on this. I forgot to do that. That's what the recipe calls for. I might throw a bit of butter on top and then put the centers back in and throw it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Let me see if I can do this without making a huge mess. I don't know if it's gonna. Then take your bowl of guts. Just mash it in there. That was kind of jank. Which is why I didn't put any butter with it. And then to finish it all off, I'm gonna sprinkle with another layer of cheese, which I probably shouldn't do because we're almost out and this is our last batch. Totally forgot about that.
I was gonna say you want to save some for tacos tonight.
I'm not gonna use a lot.
Do some lime tacos.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Did you just say lime?
Now they're on here. They say I don't know how to turn this oven down. Do you know, Cook?
Yeah, I do.
375.
375.
You just have to restart. Okay.
After it hits.
Touch the pan with your bare hands. You won't.
It's not warm. It's not even remotely warm.
That's why I told you to do it.
Well, I mean, I figured it wouldn't be. But...
Cheap pans cool off really fast.
Cooking line.
Yep.
Cook the potatoes.
Try to somewhat center that. Well, it doesn't matter. I guess the oven doesn't cook
Very
evenly, but
single piece
there you
of
go.
rice.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes. And in 15 minutes, that should be ready to go.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
And then we'll see the end product. Thank you, John. Here is the final product. After sitting for 15 minutes, we pulled it out, threw it on a plate.
Try to cut into this one to get it good. There we go. Open it
Nice,
up.
cheesy, hot. Gonna burn yourself if you try to eat it. Oh yeah.
Raw.
Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a thumbs up. If not, I don't care. And have a good one. Bye.